Welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today Simone is creating this vampire face paint for us, and if you want to know how you can create a vampire like this, please keep watching. So the base of this makeup is done with a split cake by Diamond FX. This one is called Neon Rose and it has amazing colors. It is white, purple, neon pink and a very dark shade of red. And as you can see on Simone's skin, those colors look absolutely amazing. So basically you want to put 3 lines with that split cake next to each other to make the base. And then we continue with black for the details. A few teardrops under the eyes. And with a bit of white face paint, also by Diamond FX, here are the fangs. So by connecting those black lines she put on the skin earlier, we are creating a spider web over the split cake, but also under the eyes. And of course our vampire needs a bit of red lipstick, and the red that Simone is using is by Maroon Paradise. A few black dots. And a few white dots as well. And with those dots, our vampire face paint tutorial for today is done. So I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel in the link below. Stay tuned on all our videos. We have a new video every day till Halloween, so definitely stay tuned.